If you're walking stuff, James. I'm gonna get forwards.
Look at this fucking seagull.
What's that noise? It's 24.
No,
but it's funny, yeah?
Alright, it's I found it.
There's a tree giant. Well, if we're all there, then it doesn't really matter.
That's true.
Oh, that's quicksand.
Bodies.
Oh, we're gonna drown!
Don't drown. Oh my god, you just drowned.
Oh.
Oh. That's a shark with arms. Apparently
The shark with arms.
Yeah, apparently their hearing's like, they're like deaf, but once they see you, they make a beeline for you like it's doing right now. Let's run. Let's. Oh no, I closed myself into it. I can't open doors. Hello? Leon? Leon? What can I hear Drake?
It doesn't look to just be, like, unmoving. It's not bad.
Stand still! Stand still!
Buddy, hit it.
Fucking dickhead. Now, as long as we don't keep buying stupid shit, we should be totally fine. So as long as no one buys anything completely useless and stupid, we'll... I'm gonna get you red!
I'm an egg beater.
Oh, there's a door. Is that Robert? I got terrified then because I thought. That's definitely Robert. Hello. Fucking see it!
I went in a circle by accident.
I'm going straight. I'm walking straight onwards. Oh my god! Help! Ah! Help me! Oh shit!
That way.
Okay.
I just drowned! I just drowned!
We both. I was like, fuck this, I'm just going straight and I fell in a pool and died.
Yeah, same!
Robert, James and Leon are dead. You might want to come.
I'm going back.
Yeah. Whoops.
Oh, he's done it!